Are you using mouthwash to keep your teeth clean and healthy? Are you using mouthwash straight after brushing your teeth? Do you use mouthwash every single day? A lot of people actually don't know how to properly use mouthwash, and in this video I want to talk about how you can use mouthwash effectively without having any detrimental effects to your oral health. Mouthwash, what I say to my patients is mouthwash is great for refreshing your breath, just freshening it up, and at a separate time to when you would brush your teeth. A lot of people are using mouthwash straight after brushing their teeth, and that's a big no-no from me. Number one, mouthwash has a lower concentration of fluoride in it compared to your toothpaste. So when you wash your mouth with mouthwash after brushing your teeth, you're washing away the toothpaste that you spent good money on. The toothpaste needs time to work on your teeth. So don't be using mouthwash straight after brushing your teeth. What I also see is people will use mouthwashes that contain chlorhexidine. Now, chlorhexidine is great for working against bacteria in people that have flare-ups with their gums, gum disease. And even then, I'll recommend that my patients will use that type of mouthwash for a week and then stop using it. Because if you use it for a prolonged period of time, a mouthwash containing something like chlorhexidine, your teeth are going to get stained. Chlorhexidine causes staining in teeth. So a lot of people are using these chlorhexidine mouthwashes and they're staining their teeth. And that's the opposite way you want to go if you want to keep your teeth nice and white. So make sure that the mouthwash you're using does not have chlorhexidine in it, unless your dentist has asked you to use one of those mouthwashes for a short period of time. I also tend to find that people will not be aware that mouthwashes with alcohol can actually dry up your mouth a lot quicker. So when you've got a dry mouth, it means that bacteria thrive, and it also means that those thriving bacteria cause bad breath. So that's a main reason for bad breath, having a dry mouth. So if you're not drinking enough fluids, enough water, that'll contribute to bad breath. If you are using mouthwash with alcohol in it, ethanol, that will lead to a dry mouth. And again, that can also cause bad breath. So the reason you're using mouthwash to freshen your breath may be the reason that your breath is not as fresh as it can be if it's got alcohol in it.